Good morning, kids. Welcome to the English class. In the previous video, we have read that Sandy and the Pixies first saw witches on their brooms. They were peeping through the hole. The sky was full of flying witches who had black cats sitting in front of them on their broomsticks. Soon enough, one of the black cat fell off, and the witch tried to catch it, but her broomstick smashed into pieces. The witch rolled over and over on the grass. She got hurt and began to cry. Sandy could not see the witch crying, so he crawled out of the saucepan. As he was a very kind-hearted boy, so he gently tied the wound and helped the witch to put the broomstick in shape. Now, before I continue with the story, I will discuss some new words with you. So, the first word is hedge. Hedge means fence. Next is kindest. Kindest means polite. Next is cheerfully. Cheerfully means happily. Next is afraid. Afraid means frightened. Next is beetle. Beetle means an insect. Last is glad. Glad means happy. Now this is your reading time. So take out your page number 95, last stanza. Thank you so much, said the witch. But just look at my broom. I will never get back to the fairy land. Now come to the page number 96. Sandy took out a knife from his pocket and said, I'll get a new stick from the hedge and you can fit it onto the broom head. Kids, write down the meaning of hedge. Fence. F-E-N-C-E. Hedge means fence. You are the cleverest, kindest boy I have ever met. Kids, underline the word kindest and write meaning over there. Polite. P-O-L-I-T-E. Kindest means polite. Replied the witch cheerfully. Kids, write down the meaning of cheerfully. Happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Cheerfully means happily. Most people are afraid of witches because they think we would change them into black beetles or something. Kids, write down the meaning of afraid. Frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Afraid means frightened. Kids, write down the meaning of beetles. An insect. Beetles means an insect. But those were old times. The old witches were like that. We do not use our magic spell to harm anyone. Sandy smiled. Well, I'm glad to hear that. He hoped that the pixies would also hear that. Kids, write down the meaning of glad. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Glad means happy. Together they put the broomstick in shape and it was ready to fly again. Now listen to the explanation of these lines. In these lines, the witch thanked Sandy as he gently tied her wound and helped her. Sandy was also glad to hear from the witches that they would not use any kind of magic spell to harm anyone. After then, both of them became good friends and together they put the broomsticks in shape and it was ready to fly again. Now again, before continue with the reading, I will discuss some new words with you. So the first word is perched. Perched means jumped to sit. Next is saucepan. Saucepan means cooking pan. Next is gently. Gently means with a mild manner. Next is chimed. Chimed means sound. Last is struck. Struck means hit. Now let's continue with the reading. "Won't you ride with me?" the witch asked Sandy. "Oh, I would love to," cried Sandy. As he perched himself on the broomstick, the pixies came running out from under the saucepan. Kids, write down the meaning of perched. Jumped to sit. I'm repeating once again. Perched means jumped to sit. Kids, underline the word saucepan and write meaning over there. Cooking pan. Saucepan means cooking pan. "Take us for a ride too," they shouted together. "Climb up the stick," called the witch. "I will give you a ride too." Off they went into the deep blue sky. After a lovely ride, the witch landed them on the ground gently. Kids, write down the meaning of gently. With a mild manner. I'm repeating once again. Gently means with a mild manner. She waved at them and took off for the fairyland once again. Sandy said the magic words and once again became tall. Somewhere a church clock chimed and the clock struck 1. Sandy walked back to his home and it was hard to say goodbye to his new friends. Now listen to the explanation of these lines. When the witch asked Sandy to take a ride with her, all the pixies came running out from the saucepan and shouted together to take a ride too. The witch gave a lovely ride to Sandy and the pixies. After that, she took off for the fairyland. Sandy said the magic words and once again became tall. He walked back to his home and said goodbye to his new friends. Now I will discuss some cross questions with you. First question is, why was the witch worried? Answer is, the witch was worried to think that she would never get back to the fairyland. Next is, why are the people afraid of the witches? Answer is, the people are afraid of the witches as they think that they would change them into black beetles. Next is, who put the broomstick in shape? Answer is, Sandy and the witch put the broomstick in shape. Next question is, why did the pixies come out of the saucepan? Answer is, the pixies came out of the saucepan to take a ride. Next is, how did Sandy become tall? Answer is, Sandy became tall by whispering the magic words. Now let's recall the chapter once again. So here I will discuss one exercise with you. Who said to whom? First is, look at the witches now. Answer is, Sandy said to pixies. Next is, I'm going to be kind to her. Answer is, Sandy said to pixies. Next is, my hand is a bit cut. Answer is, the witch said to Sandy. Next is, thank you so much. Answer is, the witch said to Sandy. Next is, you are the cleverest, kindest boy I have ever met. Answer is, the witch said to Sandy. Next is, won't you ride with me? Answer is, the witch said to Sandy. Next is, take us for a ride too. Answer is, Pixie said to the witch. Now I will discuss one more exercise with you, that is complete the lines. So the first is, The sky was dash. Answer is the sky was full of flying witches. Next is the witch rolled dash. Answer is the witch rolled over and over on the grass. Next is the witch began dash. Answer is the witch began to cry. Next is Sandy was a very dash. Answer is Sandy was a very kind-hearted boy. Next is Sandy gently dash. Answer is Sandy gently tied the wound. Next is the cats coiled their dash. Answer is the cats coiled their tails round the stick. Now kids, read this story again, revise cross questions along with the word meanings. Thank you.